These sensors are crucial components in modern vehicles of providing data to the engine control unit (ECU) to manage performance, emissions, safety, and driver information. Engine management sensors like the oxygen, text-O2 sensor, crankshaft position sensor, and manifold absolute pressure sensor help regulate the mixture, timing, and overall engine function for optimal performance and efficiency. Safety and driver assistance systems such as the ABS wheel speed sensor, rain sensor, and parking sensor contribute to vehicle stability, visibility, and collision avoidance. Environmental control sensors like the NOx sensor monitor emissions to help the vehicle comply with environmental standards. Monitoring and diagnostics various temperature, speed, and voltage sensors provide essential data for system monitoring and diagnostics, alerting the driver or mechanics to potential issues.